So many of you have asked on my last phone charm tutorial on how to put it on to any phone, and I'm going to make a better lengthy tutorial today. I think I can consider myself a phone charm pro. At this point, we have custom made them for a Rare Beauty event. Recently, here's a little clip of that. At the end, you will see a short little clip of Selena Gomez walking into the frame, which was pretty cool. But at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to put on a phone charm properly. Also, bam, look at Miss Selena Gomez. She looks amazing in this. Wow. Phone charms are all the craze right now. So I just really want to show you how to do this properly. And the amazing part is this can work on an iPad or a laptop case. It doesn't have to be on just an iPhone. First step though is if you're making the phone charm, you want to make sure you have something sturdy. If you don't want to make it yourself, we sell a bunch of them on our website at cutandcrop.com. As you can see here, here's a bunch of our custom orders we made at the Rare Beauty event. We also did the Amik event, which I'll show you a clip from also. But it's really important to use a sturdy type of string. And I recommend stretch cord. You can use regular string, but stretch cord holds the best. Both events, we made over 200 different phone charms. Anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to go pick out your phone charm, hopefully at Cut and Cropped. And right now we're going to Cut and Cropped, my store, to pick out my favorite phone charm. We got a bunch of different options. First thing you're going to do is you're going to lay it out flat. I love the mini pearls on this. Pick your phone case of choice and you're going to loop it through the side. See how she pulls the string through? You can also do this on the bottom part of your phone case. And now it's all done.